Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Profit, Loss and Discount. Today I'll only deal with profit and loss. Profit and loss. Now, before going to start solving the problem, I would like to give you the formulae on the basis of profit and loss. These are the formulas which are already known to you. Once more, I want to remind you this formulae to solve the problems easily and quickly. First, I am coming profit. How to find out the profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Now what is SP? SP means selling price and CP means cost price. So if you know this formula, profit equal to SP minus CP, so you must have seen there are three things are there: profit, SP and CP. No need to learn the formula. If one you know, with the related with profit, you can calculate SP also, you can calculate CP also. How to calculate it? Like you want to calculate CP, CP is in minus sign. So we bring the CP in this side. When they change their side, the sign will change. Now it comes CP. Now SP is already there on the right side. Profit will come this side, his sign will change. So it become minus sign. So CP equal to SP minus profit. Same way, if you want to find out SP, keep SP in this side because already alone. And remaining thing you keep in other side. CP is already there. Here minus sign. So you can put plus sign, you can calculate them. So these are the things is known to you. Similarly, loss equal to CP minus SP, SP equal to CP minus loss, and CP equal to SP plus loss. All those things are known to you. Now one more thing I want to tell you, how to find out profit percent and loss percent. This is one of the most important things to remember. Whenever you're going to find the profit percent and loss percent, always profit percent and loss percent is always calculated on CP. Once more I want to repeat it, it's very important. Profit percent and loss percent is always calculated on CP. How to find out the profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. And loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. So this is how you can calculate profit, CP, SP, loss. The relations is given to you. But I would like to tell you the most important things of profit and loss maths. Whenever you are going to do the calculation of profit and loss maths, always you first find out the CP. What you will find out first? CP. And if you find out the CP, you will find it very easy to solve the problems. So what I say, the CP is the Gayatri mantra of profit, loss and discount. Basically profit and loss. Discount we will discuss, I will talk about that. So again, once more I will tell you, any problems given to you based on profit and loss, you first find out the CP. You first find out the CP. And if you find out the CP, then you find out your math very easy for you to do the calculation. So please remember it. Again and again I am telling you. That is why I put a star mark. Most important for profit and loss calculation, always find out the CP. Okay. So I told you the formula. I told you. Again once more I have to tell you. This very important component of profit and loss. Whether the question has given or not, you always find out the CP first. Once you are able to find out the CP, then you can find out profit and loss math will be very easy for you to do the calculations. Now I am coming to solve the different kinds of problems in today's classwork. First problem. Articles bought at 10 for rupees 8 and are sold at 8 for rupees 10. Find the gain percent. Also, find the number of articles bought and sold in order to gain rupees 144. So what is given here first? Remember that. Bought means CP. CP of how many given there? 10 articles for rupees 8. And what is sold? Sold means here SP. SP of how many articles is giving here? 8 for rupees 10. What you have noticed in these questions? The quantity of selling price and the quantity of cost price are not same. Here the quantity of 10 is given there and selling price of 8 is given there. So these two quantities are having the difference. To calculate the profit and loss, you have to find out the cost price and selling price of same number of articles. Once more I want to tell you, this type of questions are coming in the examination. Whenever you are going to see the different numbers of articles are given for cost price and different number of articles are given for the selling price, to find out the profit or loss, you have to find out the selling price and cost price of same number of articles. That's the most important thing. That is why I have given a note. Whenever the CP and SP are given for different numbers of identical articles, here the different numbers, one is 10 and one is 8. Okay, identical article. First of all, find the CP and the SP of equal number of articles and then calculate the profit and loss. So remember this note, it's very important for you and this type of questions comes. Okay, now I'm going to solve the problems here. It is given here, CP of 10 articles equal to rupees 8. So CP of 1 article, how to find out? All of you are knowing, I got 0.80. On the other hand, SP of 8 articles is given 10. So SP of 1 articles, again by dividing, I got 1.25. So here you notice here, CP of how many articles now? Here I got 1. SP of how many articles I got here? 1. So these are same number. Earlier it was not in same number. Okay, now it is 1 articles, here also 1 articles. Okay, the quantity is same. So 1 articles you got the CP, 1 article you got the SP. So if you got the CP and SP, now what do you notice here? SP of 1 article is 1.25 and CP of 1 article is 0.80, rupees 0.80. So which is more? SP is more. So if SP is more, all of us are knowing it is profit. And how to find out the profit? SP minus CP. You got the profit. Now how to find out the profit percent? Profit by CP into 100. What is the profit? 0.45. Okay. What is the CP? CP of 1 articles. What is the CP of 1 articles? 0.80 into 100. After doing the calculations, you got the profit 56.1/4%. This is the profit percent. Second part of the question asks, if you made total 144 rupees profit, how many articles you sold or you bought? How to find out? I have given the number of articles bought and sold is equal to total profit divided by profit on 1 articles. So the question said total profit made by him is how much? Rupees 144. What is the profit for 1 article? 0.45. So if you divide it, here I just remove the decimal, 2 zeros come here, and further if I calculate, it's coming 320. I hope it is clear to you. Once more I want to tell you, this kind of maths, if the quantities are not same, first you find the CP and SP of same quantities and then you calculate it. It will be very easy for you to solve the problems. Now I am going to the next problem. The second problem what I am going to discuss today is here only. A man sold his bicycle for rupees 810, losing 1/9 of its selling price. Find the loss, the CP of the bicycle and the loss percent. So here I told you in the beginning that whenever you are going to calculate the profit and loss math, you have to always find out the CP. So in this question, CP is not given. What all things are given in this question? I told you, whenever you are going to solve any word problem, what all values are given in the question, you please write it. If you write the values and what to be find out if you put a question mark, you will find it very easy to solve it. So I have found out sold means SP is given there. Loss is what given? Loss is 1/9 of the selling price, 1/9 of SP. That means 1/9 into what is the SP? 800. I got the loss. CP is not known to us. So I have taken let the Cp be equal to x. And we know already the formula Cp minus loss equal to Sp. You have learned already. In place of Cp I put the value of Cp, in place of loss I put the value of loss, and in place of Sp I put the value of Sp. After doing all those things, I found out the value of x. Now what is x? X means Cp. So what is Cp? 900. Now if you know the Cp, you have to find out the loss percent. I told you profit percent and loss percent is always calculated on Cp. How to find out the loss percent? Loss by Cp into 100. So loss by Cp into 100. Loss is 90, Cp is 900. If you calculate it, the loss percent come 10%. So I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to discuss one more problems today, and this is the last for today's classwork. The selling price of a table is 27 by 25 times of its cost price. So see that selling price is related with the cost price. Find the loss or profit percent. So again I told you whatever values are given in the questions, you write the values first. What is given here? Question said Cp is not given. I told you any profit and loss month is the Gayatri month. You have to find out for the Cp. Cp is not known, so I have written let the Cp be equal to x. What is Sp? Question said Sp equal to 27 by 25 of Cp. Cp means here x. So if you calculate, you will get the Sp here 27x by 25. Now here you must have been noticed the Sp is more. When the Sp is more, that means it has a profit. So here I mention here Sp is more. So the profit is Sp minus Cp. You put the value of Sp, you put the value of Cp, and you do the simplification of the calculation. You got the profit. What is the profit? 2x by 25. Profit percent is known to you. Profit by Cp into 100. Profit is known to you. Cp is known to you. You multiply it by 100. And if you do the calculation, you got 8%. So profit percent is 8%. I hope you have understood all the problems. Once more I want to remind you before going to end today's class. You always remember whenever you are going to calculate any problem based on profit and loss. Again I am talking profit and loss. Always find out the Cp. If you can find out the Cp, then you will see that it will be very easy for you to solve the problems. I hope you understood all the problems. If you have any difficulties, any kind of queries, any kind of questions, already my number is given in the WhatsApp group. Please contact me. I'll clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you so much.